all right. Hello again. Hello, hello. We are back. We are back. Okay, let's review the parameter. First is circle with a center C and radius R. This is radius R, center C, and then this is the circumference. Circumference. Okay? So what is the circumference length? What if we take this circle and we spread it like one whole line, how long it will be? How long it will be? It will be 2 pi r. What's that mean? It means that if we have radius like let's say 3 meter, we just plug it in the formula. That's it. So we have circumference equal 2 pi r, which means 2 times 3.1416 times 3. That's it. And we checked a minute ago, the whole thing was 18.85. And that is the circumference of this circle of radius 3 meter. The circumference of a radius of 3 meter. So 2 pi r, you just plug it in. Pi, always, 3.1416 times 3. And the whole thing is 18.85. This whole thing is 18.85. It can be meter, it can be inches, it can be kilometer, and so on and so forth. Okay, this is the circumference. Now the area is pi times r square. So if we have a circle with center C and radius, let's say 5 inches or 5 meter or 5 miles, if you will. Okay, the area is what? Just plug it in. Area of this circle is pi 3.1416 pi times r square times r square, 5 square, right? 5 square, r square times r square. That's it. So what is 3.14 times r square? Here is 3.1416 times 25 is 78.54 equal 78.54 inches square. Inches square. Remember, in area we have to deal with square. Like the answer always gonna be in inches square, meter square, kilometer square, because it is the area. It is the area, or the whole thing here. The whole thing, including the circumference. And that is your area. That is your area. Now, last note, if we have 2 pi r, remember, if we have a circle and we have one radius, diameter is 2r. Diameter is 2r. Always, always. The diameter equal 2r. It's like you're saying, 4 is twice of 2. So if r is 2, so diameter is 4. If r is 3, diameter is 6. So sometimes in homework, in books, in wherever, they tell you, well, I don't know the radius, I know the diameter. The diameter is 6 the diameter is 10. So all what you have to do to figure out the circumference is 2 pi r. Let me do this. You have to, circumference is 2 pi r. Same as you're saying pi times diameter, because this and this is diameter, right? 2r is this one here, this is radius, and this is diameter, so this whole thing is 2r, right? 2r, which is diameter. In many questions in math, they tell you the diameter is such and such, what is the circumference? Now, if you have r, like in here, r square, so to figure out the area again, like I said, okay, you multiply 3.1416 times r square. Okay, if r is 5, then it's 5 square. 3.1416 times 5 square. If it is r equal 4, so the area is pi times 4 square, which is 3.14 times 16, if you will, times 4 times 4, which is 16, times 16, and so on and so forth. All right, that is the whole thing about circles. There are some examples in your book and exercises. Please read them, rewrite them, study them, and you will have a really great base of the basic math, basic geometry, basic algebra for the next years. Now, let's give me five. All right. So now you have the books, you have the DVDs, you have my teaching instructions. You have no excuse not to do the exercises, study them, and really get into math, because I want you to love math like I love math too. I want you to love math like I love math too. Now, thank you so much. Appreciate your buying my books and videos. Please tell your friends and relatives about this book and the other books in your hand. This book, Zoom into Math. Okay, thank you so much, and please let your friends and relatives know about this book and this DVD. And the book is Zoom into Math. Zoom into Math. Some of you bought Zoom into Math 1, some of you bought Zoom into Math 2, some of you bought Zoom into Math 3, some of you bought Zoom into Math 4. Some of you bought the whole package, the DVD, the Math 1, Math 2, Math 3, and Math 4, which is going to be a great investment for you. It has as much math and exercises as you need to for your elementary and middle school and high school and college also. So thank you so much. Appreciate your learning, appreciate your listening to me, and bye. You have a great enjoyment with this course. Thank you very much.